Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I have been MIA for a very long time, and I feel like this is the perfect moment for me to come back strong, update another video. There's a lot of things I want to fill you guys in. It's been almost 3 years. Well, before the last time I posted, I was based in Hong Kong. And now I am currently living in London, UK, because of work. I moved over here and it's been really good. My transition has been not easy, but if you guys have any questions, if you guys are planning to move abroad as well, please let me know in the comments down below and maybe I could help you guys out, answer some questions on how I did it. Before we jump into this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and also follow me on social media. On Instagram, it is under MR.ROSSKWAN, or my personal one, which is MR.ROSSKWAN. And today's video is all about facial hair grooming. I had such a great response in the previous video that I posted. You guys loved it. So I want to give you guys an updated version of what I've been doing in the last few years. My facial hair has changed quite a bit since the last time I have saw you guys. If you guys want to take a closer look, my sideburns have completely connected to my chin. So if you guys want to know what the tips and tricks are, what my regimens are, then stay tuned and keep on watching this video. So I really want to tell you guys about this product that I found on Instagram a little while ago. This is not a sponsored video, so I did not get this in a PR package. I purchased this myself, so please don't accuse me of talking about this product because I'm getting paid. I'm not. I am definitely not getting paid for this. This brand basically claims that you could grow facial hair within 6 to 10 weeks. And it's a 3-step process. It's called Copenhagen Grooming. And I will link everything down below if you guys want to check out their Instagram. So the first item that I get is the sanitizing spray. And then it also comes with an activator serum. And then a little rolly machine, which kind of looks quite scary. It's got a bunch of needles on it. So I do this treatment once a week. And I apply the serum every day, twice a day, and this is what I have achieved. So first, what you want to do is you want to start off with really clean skin. You want to take this roller and you want to spray it with the sanitizer. And you have to do this every single time you use this because it's got needles in it, it punctures your skin, and it's not sanitary if you leave it out and use it on your skin the next time. I usually start off rolling vertically first, all the way up, and you're gonna try and do 10 passes on each section. And then you're gonna go the opposite way. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Diagonal, 10 times. And then the other way. So what the theory is, these micro needles will puncture little small incisions on your skin, and then when you apply the serum, it will feed all of the nutrition into the skin. So after you rolled the one side, you're going to repeat the same step on the other side as well, focusing on the areas that you want to grow more facial hair. You're going to get the serum and apply this to your face with 2 pumps of product. Rub it between your fingers and then in circular motion apply it onto the face and onto the facial hair. And once this is absorbed, that's all you need to do. For the roller part, I do this once a week, and for the serum, I do this every day, twice a day, 1 time in the morning and 1 time in the evening. Now moving on to the grooming part of the video. And the first product that I'm going to use is this Aesop Moisturizing Facial Toner. And I'm going to put this all over my face. And this basically will help moisturize your skin and hydrate your skin. To start off this grooming process for your facial hair, I am going to pick up my trusty Philips trimmer. I know this is from my previous video, but if you get a good trimmer, this will last forever. So I zoomed you guys in just a little bit closer to see what I'm doing. First of all, you want to brush down all your facial hair and make sure that it's all in the same direction first, okay? I don't have a lot, so I'm just using my fingers. But if you have a lot more facial hair than I do, then you probably want to use like a small comb and just comb everything down. Then I'm going to use my clippers and I'm going to go in and clean up all the hair on the top of my lip first. Ignore my pimple, please. It's been here for a few weeks and it's horrible. I can't really get rid of it. I'm not sure why it's not going away. So, clipper. And then also I'm going to get any stray hairs along the way as well. So boys, very important part. I'm gonna go in and trim all of this area really nice and clean because it's all an illusion. If you do not have a great jawline, which I don't, this works a miracle and it will emphasize and bring out your features. Yeah, no, this is not very prominent, but I'm gonna go in with my clippers and I'm gonna clean up all this hair underneath my neck. So there is a sweet spot on this. If you look forward, there should be a visual line that you could create right underneath your chin. You don't want to go past that because it will shorten your chin and that's going to look a bit weird. But that sweet spot right here, and follow that line under your jaw, it's going to look amazing. So I'm going to pop the facial guard onto the clippers and set it in between 4 and 6. I don't like my facial hair too short because it's not very thick already, so if I cut it too short it's going to look really thin. And then I'm just going to clean this up a little bit in the center. I'm going to just pop my lower lip out. And then just to make sure that everything is nice and tidy, you can guys have a look. It's just a little bit tidier. This is basically what I really do normally if I really want to, just a quick fix. But I would also go in with my extra step just to clean it up even more. Like make sure that this line is really nice and sharp. So I'm going to use the Nivea Sensitive Shaving Gel. This is what I normally use. I'm gonna make sure that my skin is a little bit wet. So just putting some water on it, and then I'm going to put my shaving cream in the areas that I need to tidy up. Yeah, so there we go. Foam's on the face. I'm just gonna take a Gillette razor. Just a very simple razor. I don't use anything fancy nowadays because I'm not shaving that much. I like to keep my facial hair on my face. So these disposable shavers are perfect for what I'm doing. So this is what I use now. So I'm just gonna wet my razor and I'm gonna take this razor and just gonna go upwards. Just gonna remove all of the little bits of hair that I miss with my clippers. And then just the same thing on the top of my face as well. Yeah, why do I always make this ugly face when I'm shaving? Alright, so that's pretty much done. I don't really have a lot of facial hair to clean up. But yeah, so I shaved that off and then I'm just gonna take a towel and clean off my face. After this, I'm just gonna pop right into the washroom and just wash my face really quickly. So I'm using the Mandarin Facial Hydrating Cream by Aesop. And I'm going to just apply a little amount of product all over my skin. And I just work this in circular motions just to get it all absorbed into the skin. And it just leaves a really nice smell and keeps my skin really hydrated. Last but not least, this is my favorite part of this grooming video. So when I first moved to London, I found this barbershop called Ted's Grooming Room. And they have this amazing smelling aftershave. And I love using this and it smells incredible. So I'm just gonna pop a few drops of this into my palm, dab it onto my face, and it smells amazing throughout the day. Every single person that I have encountered when I'm working, when they give me a hug, they always go, "Oh my god, what is that smell? It smells incredible." So that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is my new routine that I have adapted since I moved to the UK. Every couple of months, once I finish any of my facial products, I try to kind of switch to a different brand or a different item just to kind of make sure that my skin is not getting used to it. I'm so excited to be back in YouTube. I don't know when my next video is going to be, but if you guys have any ideas, let me know in the comment section down below, or if you guys have any questions, please ask me and I'll try my best to answer it. Until next time, I will see you guys very soon. Bye!